thing is nuts, dude. Edible garden. Available at Seasons Kosher and Newly Market. It just had news. It's a launch of 3 million aggregate investment. Okay, 3 million investment. We're here for that. 195 break. We should do stuff. There it is. All right, now we have this 218, 219, just call it 220. 220 level, we should. Don't dip down. Two starting to hold. Let's go see 220. CLDI. A lot of churn here. See wall at 207. Some buyers trying to get in at 2. All right, the level I'm looking for is 207. Oh, I got filled at 91. That's fantastic. 15 cock would be a break back over 2. This is. All right, that's a 1 minute cock. Let's see what that does. Awesomeness. Knows. 1 million into Caldi. So this got 1 million, not 3 million. Like, still something. MIRA hitting the scanner. Pally hitting the scanners. Some news? No. Take it. Jeez, got out too early on Pally. $5.60. Son of a bitch. Got out for 20 cents. I thought I was doing good. Nope. Missed out on $1. Missed out on $1. Chief. Is he scrambling? Might have to meet his maker if he keeps that shit up. CLDI is red. Kiss of death. Gotta love when the L2 gets dicked. I can't wait to get out of this platform. DOS. I gotta get you back up and running, babe. I gotta get you back up and running.
I can no longer imagine trading without SJ. Lol.
What is my username? Call. I gotta trade this. CYTH hitting the scanners with some news here. What is the news? European patent. Okay. Trimaldinho. Let's go, bud. Welcome aboard. Stay on that grind, brother. Demo 7. Let's go. Love it. Holy hell, this thing just went red. Why is CGT? I have no idea. No idea.
Have you watched any Olympic beach volleyball? It's awesome.
Are they wearing straight thongs this year? That's been kind of the trend to get skimpier and skimpier on that outfit. CYTH. BJTX.
Stock J clap. Snake Eyes, let's go 3 months, homie. Got that gold badge. That's annoying. Pally pop and drop, huh? I have information that can lead to the arrest of Hilla? What? Huh? Give us the good, Stocky. Ugh. Who are we arresting? We're talking about Hillary? Listen. You know very well that anybody that crosses her path ends up dead. Oh, and up. You're in ON since 13? Holy jeez, millionaire. Freaking A, dude. Jeez, Stocky. From 5 down to 150. Yeah! Dude, tell me you got it. Tell me you've got size. Tell me you got size. Tell me. Tell me. Tell me you got size. Soils is back. Listen, he's out of sex rehab. You've got to give him some time, boys and girls. You got to give him some freaking time. He's still a little groggy. See you, Stocky. Good luck today. Let's give the OG a shout out. If you guys don't know who he is, you're living under a damn rock. They chopped your plums off. Look at him. Look at him. He's freaking Soils is deleting his own messages. He's out of practice, boys. Yeah. He definitely banned himself. he took it too literally. You have to understand what they do to these sex addicts and sex therapy. They try to desensitize you to sex. So they flood you with more sex than you can handle to the point where you're just numb. True story. So you have to feel for the guy. He's had more orgasms than he's had in 5 eternities. I'm so thirsty. Did you escape sex therapy, Soils, or did they release you? Look at him. He's deleting his own freaking messages again. The man is obviously delusional. Trump needs me. His campaign is falling apart. They're done growing back. Oh, man. You have to wonder what Cam thought of. I didn't even think about it, but homie was probably he was probably there at the rally, probably trying to dive on top of Trump to save him in his moment of need. Kim was the shooter. Well, this will be the interesting one out of the gates here. CLDI. What? Nope, that thing's done. Pally and CLDI. Nope. McDonald's seeing negative 3Q comp trends across all segments. What? Surely that's not the weight loss drugs. Do any of you guys know anybody on that Ozempic or whatever it's called? I do. And let me tell you this. They're on it, and their habits change zero amount. So if they're the type of people that will go to a restaurant and really want to have a good time and, you know, buy everything on the menu kind of thing and really treat people that's with them. Okay? Try this, try that, try that. Those habits don't change. They just happen to eat a little bit less than normal. So if homie ever gets off the drugs, it's just going to come right back. So it works or no? So certainly the appetite is less. The habits don't change. So if you're on the drug forever, you're probably good forever. But as soon as you come off it, the habits are still there. It's just like the stapling, you know, when the, you know, stomach stapling was a big deal. I don't know what the process is called, where you make your stomach smaller, right? And you don't have an appetite. It's the exact same thing. But everybody that you ever know never got it, for the most part, Chris Christie, just blows up over time because their habits don't change. Your habits don't change. It's the same thing. So it's like the perfect drug. Yeah, it's a good way to put it. It's a perfect drug. How is the 3-4 day? I did a 4-day fast relic, and it was the easiest fast I've ever done. I guess it was because I was really focused on getting the minerals that I needed, and I didn't do that very good before. But the first day is tough because you're like, ooh, I want to eat. And you're like, no, 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 no. No, 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 no. But after that, it was easy. I could have gone 5 days easy. And the only reason why I started eating is because I'm like, well, I'm about to do like a 14-hour drive. I don't know if I want to be like maybe mentally foggy for that drive. Come to find out, I probably could have done it fine, but I was just playing it safe. Oh, I highly recommend fasting. And normally I come out of a fast and do carnivore, like just meat or just protein and fat. A little easier on my body anyway. Your body's already in the fat burning stage, so just keep feeding it fat, stay off the carbs. But I didn't do it this time. It's amazing. And I was really active during the fast. Like, I chopped wood every single day. Didn't feel tired one bit. It was nuts. It was mentally nuts. I wasn't like, oh my God. I was chopping wood. I was hauling wood. There was like everybody and their brother was like, hey, Facebook Marketplace, free firewood. Come get it. I'm moving. Yours. Thank you. Chad Chopper is cover. Oh my gosh, freaking A. All right, 5-minute break. I'm probably just barely red now. Yeah, $50. We were down $800 on that first, what was it, dickery move here early on, but we've climbed out of a hole. Back to basically break even. 5-minute break. Be back for the open. Good to be back.
Alright, well, everything looks like garbage on my list. Oops. Hold it down. Thanks, Jade Gel. Sir, what are you doing here, bud? Hit that 15. I'm really shocked this thing's getting wrecked. It's kind of crazy. HE, interesting. CSK, Revin, watch that 18 break. Tapped at 18.2. Yeah. Fucking A. Just one more penny. That's all I was asking for, but no. Ebo. Wow, what a move there. Didn't expect that one. Oh, jeez. So from 460 up to 5. So it went pop, drop, pop. Like, what? Wow. Bullshit fills. Sell, 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 you turd. Jeez, the lag, man. Freaking lag. See if this holds 5, and if so, then we have potential for this 540 break. There it is. Go. Go. 30. What? Let's try 30 again. 30 and 40. 5, 40. Got it. Can we get 50? Taking some off because it's a nice win. So it ran. Okay. Are we even now? I break even, baby. Let's go. Okay, not really sure how that stopped me out, but we'll take it. U.S. women kicking the shit out of France and rugby. Ah, jeez. It's nice to have Soils back, isn't it? Serve with a cuck and go 1 minute. Of course, this is going to go nuclear. Yeah, we got enough for Taco Bell tonight. I do have a hockey game. Taco Bell is on the menu now. That should get me enough to cover my order. No joke, when I go to Taco Bell, I feel like a fat mother slob because my order is always like $25, $30. I'm like, how is Taco Bell this expensive? I get like 5 things. It's ridiculous. You spend $8. What do you get? Like, I get the burritos of this burrito and that a burrito, Supreme this, blah blah blah. $25. $5 meal deal is on the app. 7-layer. No, I got to do taco stuff because I drive and eat. $5 bag. BMR popping back up here, boys. Keep an eye on that red to green. It's $5.75. Single burritos $20. Where the hell are you, freak? Jeez, dude. NUZE daily. Continuation, yeah. So 20-cent gap looks like on this 15-cent gap on Weibo. Top expensive city on earth, Tel Aviv. You're in Tel Aviv and a taco is $25. Jeez. Disney's popping up. What's that about? Some dip buyers there, huh? Tesla. Tesla kind of looked good, didn't it? Big ass support here on Disney at 90. All right, let's get rid of that. Yeah, Nick's on vacation. He probably gets back this Wednesday. I think he said this Wednesday. When does this open up? 43:46. So a minute on this Yibo. little gap up here. It's the only thing moving all day, so maybe it gets going. DJT breaking 30 with a flush. I gotta make some money, man. I'm under pressure. This could disappear real quick. Not the whole thing, but I could go under 50K. My van needs fixing. My power line out front needs to be buried. My water heater got hit by lightning, so half of it works. I want to go propane anyway, so that's kind of, I'm okay with that one. Van has been nothing but issues. Well, no, not necessarily. I bought it with some issues. So, first off, there is an issue with the van. However, it's covered by a warranty. I don't have to pay anything. However, check engine light came on while I was driving back. I don't know if that just has to do with the other issue getting worse or if it's something brand new. I can't wait to find out. It's like reverse Christmas. It's bend over and touch your knees Christmas. 30 seconds on this guy. How does half a water heater get hit? So you have two elements usually in a water heater, and sometimes when they break, you can lose one of the elements in there. So it heats the water, but it doesn't get as hot as it used to, and it certainly doesn't last as long. Yeah, Tommy, I know I need to slow down. But, you know, when you get the wave going, things break. You need a mechanic that takes bowling shoes as payment, problem solved. For some reason, that's hard to find these days. Okay, 10-minute halt on this guy. That's weird. Okay. Is van mechanic the same guy who charged you a milli for dirt? Good point. No, my water's not. It's inside. Or an element just went bad. I don't know. But it certainly is half running. Get a wood heater. Very lightning resistant. Like a wood boiler? Yeah, it's a little difficult. I don't have workable land where I can just, have a pile of wood and get on a tractor and pull stuff around. It's not that kind of land. It's like down. Serve with the curl. This is a flat top. Kinda. Second attempt. What you and dudes and he's deleting everything he's saying types. Oh, frickin' A. There goes serve. Big buyer stepping in. Asshole me, oh God, yeah. Saw Kai's house on TikTok. And do we see your tour? Yeah, when I get to Kai level, we'll do a house tour. In fact, when I get that fancy and popular, I'll let chat pick my house out that I buy. How about that? When I'm making, $1 million, $2 million a month, I'll let chat pick my house out. We'll go house shopping. Chat, you get to pick it. Deal. Okay. Viewer reward, yeah. Gonna pick me 100. I'm gonna be living in the freaking ghetto in a crack house. Is that what you're saying? Shut up, Doomberg Kent. I vote for MJ's not. Five. No trap house. Debo's open. $7? Jeez. Hold 7 and go. Hold 7 and go. Yikes. I'm looking at does this show DOS? Nope. There we go. I was trying to see what this looks like on Evo. They extended my trial on it. This is, can I trade it? This is like a paper trading account. I don't know how this works. I mean, I don't have any money in it. Let's try a share. Buy. Sell. Nothing happened. Tickets. Count. Oh, here's my orders. Well, that's kind of cool to see. Why doesn't it show up here, though? That's kind of cool. That's not your order window? Oh, where's my order window? Windows. Orders. Is it one of these? Doesn't tell me what this is. Or is it this one? So it doesn't hold my past orders in here? Jeez. Feeling game broker to DOS platform. I don't know. There's certain ones you can. This is through TOS. Add positions with closed positions. Where Cosmo? I lost 23 cents. I see that. Oh, see, I hit the buy button, but oh, that's weird. Okay. Oh, there we are. Okay, we're here. Okay, there's my order window. Okay, I see now. That needs to be like over here where I'm used to it. For file trade quotes. Okay, I'll get to that in a second then. What is my average cost? $6.90. Got it. Okay. I don't like how the buy button and sell button are on the wrong sides. Trying to highlight this 100. Okay. Jeez. Glad this is paper. Hey, you can't pull this shit when I'm freaking in paper, all right? Listen. You can't do this. I'm only paper trading. Soils. This is not my sister, Soils. For crying out loud. This is not my sister. Jeez. TWOU. You set up the DOM as a ladder. I don't know. I haven't got that far. You know what I do like? You know what I do like about DOS? Is I can click over here and, I know I'm in the middle of this candlestick, but it shows me the entire move. I think, anyway. I think this is the entire move. Let me check eTurd. See, eTurd just skips this little wick right here. Just skips it because I came over here at the wrong time. So we're just not going to give you this wick. Oh, I've been living. The UI is not the best on DOS. It's not the best. File trade quote. What is it, Cosmo? Going back to the account or whatever the status thing is. What is it under? Under trade tab. Okay, trade tab. Add position. With closed positions. Okay. I clicked it, nothing happened. like what I don't understand here on this is like I have this window and this window, these guys right here, and they don't tell me what it is. Order window configuration, position window configuration. So this needs to go up here where I'm used to it. Delete the other position tab you had open. Okay. How do I even do that? How do I close this window? Oh wait, there's an X here. Can I X that? Nope. I didn't do anything. How do I close these? See how this is what I'm talking about. You devs, when you make shit, can we make it a little bit more intuitive? There's an X here. Alt F4. Freaking son of a bitch. My screen? Yeah, it's freaking ultra wide. You mean the window? Yeah, I mean, I'm making it as big as possible. Right click the green line. This is so stupid. No. I'm right clicking. It says config, export, auto fit. Let's do auto fit. Nothing. That didn't do anything. You can't see anything. Bullshit. You can't see anything. This is what I'm looking at. It's a big black box. Oh, you can't see anything. Okay, I know you can't see pop-up windows, but it says configure, print, export, auto fit. Just go to config. Okay, I opened config, and it's just position window configure. I'll show you. This is it. This is the window. Go to the... This is what happens when I push right click. Go to the frame window tab on the left. All right, let's try this. Hang on. Config. Frame window. No title bar. What the hell? Why would that be unclicked? Why would that be unclicked? What is this shit? Let's make it very difficult for them to for new people to close boxes like they've been accustomed to for the past 20 years. Let's hide that feature so they can't X out boxes. Let's do that. Anybody object? No? Okay, send it. Implement. Frickin' A. All right. Boom. Close that one out. Market. I don't know what this is. I'm closing you. All right. So quotes. No. Trade positions. Positions with close. Okay. Okay. Good God. Autofit. Okay. We're somewhere. Let's get the freaking font a little bigger. Can we do that? It just crashed. It just crashed. It literally just crashed. It just crashed. TWOU. Sorry, I'm only messing around with DOS while things are kind of waiting for a setup. Server might have something here. Grandpa, it's never crashed for me. Of course not. Halo, shut your freaking mouth. Listen, he crashed. It's not my fault. Log in again. Everything I just did. Okay, let's try this again. Quotes, positions. Why is there positions 1, 2, 3, and 4? What is that? Oh, positions 2? Makes no sense. It's positions 4. Get that. Anyway, positions with closed. Okay. Not enough buying power. Of course not. On a paper trade account, I don't have enough buying power. Okay. Okay. I have my title bars off, but only when I fully made the layout. Then I looked out. Yeah, I get that. I get that. It's just freaking weird. All right, back to trading. I'm acting like I'm up $500 already. What do we got? $70. Let's get after it here. Oh wait, there's nothing setting up. It's all dog shit. QFI calling out ABT. I like that wedge.
We must show Stock Titans some love for holding us down and being the only senior war leader for the past week, calling shit out and keep interesting. Watch us live. Titan's the man. He's the mansicle for sure. He has a real job. That's why he's never in voice chat. But the man is a phenom for sure. Serve with a W. RGC hitting the scanners. Sorry, 4. There we go. Do it. 5-minute cock. We got it. Let's see some follow through. Go. Go. Wrong way. You gotta come up here. 80, 85. No. A lot of red, but it's not moving it. It doesn't move the bid. Granted, there's a billion share float, so it's going to act a little different. Eh. 90 May. Okay. Serve. Cuck here. What's this? AB2. Still hanging. Groovy, let's go.
GM boys and girls.
How you doing, Groovy? Did serve it? It's TWIU. Okay. ABT, what are you doing? Coming back up. Broke the levels. Of course it did. One more pullback. '95's a level I'm watching here. Now it's 92. They're still looking for a 15-second cock here. Push us. 88 and 91. Okay. Let's do it. Stop is 87. '97 gotta go good. No, 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 no. Not going red on it.
Break over 95 might give us. Nope. Not ready yet. What is it? 96. It's a 1 minute cuck that didn't do anything. No, not gonna go. Boo. Boo. Oh. Oh, boo. Yeah. We green? $3, boys. $3. Yesterday, I'm thinking maybe we humbly ask Devi to post his strategy in the strat section on Discord or in Decimal or something. Devi has an open invitation to come on stream and talk. However, he's so damn busy making fat stacks. He's waiting for a slow period, and he just doesn't have it yet. I bet you ask him, he'll put it in. He might type it out. It's pretty complicated from what I understand, what he does. So maybe typing out might not be the best, but you certainly could ask him. He does own a mic. He does own a Mac Revolutions. So that's an improvement over the other bazillionaires in our chat. That's true. It's all relative. We don't know. But he's consistently winning. For sure. Sticky. He lives in a box. This is trying to get back up here. Girl? How's the look? Nope.
TWOU again. $48 break to 50. Okay. TWOU. Bullshit, Phil. Wow. Looking for a 15-second cock, which would be 268 right now. Now it's 265. Needs to go 70. There it is. See what I'm talking about with the cocks? Right there. On the 1 minute, it was moving too fast, right? 1 minute just looked like this. There's no pullback, so there's no play there. But if we're looking for another move up inside of the 1 minute candle, I'll look for a 15-second play, and there it was right there. Now we're back to green. $100. Let's go. What's up, time taker? Told you I was out of town. Stock Jock asking for a friend. If someone is negative 4 years of trading but making break-even progress fifth, do they give up? No. Break-even is winning, man. You have to understand, most people are red.
Look who
If you're
decided to show
break-even,
up.
you're on the verge. Nothing wrong with break-even. Ask questions, though. See if maybe there's something you're overlooking as a new trader or someone that's trying to figure it out. You got to be asking questions, especially out of people that trade like you. If they trade like you, ask them questions. Zinni, 41 months. Let's go, bud. Golly, is everyone on vacation? 214 viewers? Is that what you guys see on your end? I might be jacked up. LGVN. A lot of red to green today. 214. Yeah, viewer count's low, but that's the summer. It's always low. Everybody's on vacation. You seem pretty much got the psychology part down. Any tips? Well, I mean, you do it long enough, you can become dead inside. That's what you want to be. You don't want to be an emotional trader at all. You have to be dead inside. So whether you make, I mean, it's okay to rejoice when you have a killer trade or whatever, but you got to be able to level yourself. If you're pissed because you had a red trade, you need to be able to level yourself. You don't want to be emotional. That's when you get dicked. You do it for long enough, you just kind of get dead inside. The
hardest part is self-control and emotion control. Yep, 100%. Yeah. It's it's obviously easier when you're green on the year or significantly green on the year, because then a red trade doesn't hurt as bad. You're like, oh, well, I'm up 100% on the year. You know. No big deal. But when you're like struggling, like last year was a freaking grind for me. That was the hardest year of my trading career. What I make 30 or 40,000 before fees. Like that's nothing for me. Nothing. And the whole time it's just like you're on the verge of one bad trade and whoop, there goes half your gains for the year. Oh, there goes half your gains for the month. And it happened quite often. So you're constantly getting beat down. Grind back up, 2 bad days back down. Grind back up for a month, 2 bad days, and you're back to break even. It was the entire year for me. I couldn't get any momentum. That was emotionally the hardest year for me. Wasn't easy, but that's one of the ways that I kind of help myself get over it emotionally. Is I don't keep track of this shit. Like if I'm not killing it on the year, I'm not trying to go and look up how much I'm green or how much I'm red. Like I don't want to know. Like last week, I know I was green on vacation, very little, like $300 was an absolute joke. I didn't trade much. I was sitting on this lounge chair, and it was a decorative lounge chair. So it wasn't even like a chair. It was like it was in the shape of a C. So, you know, you're sitting on it like this. One side has an armrest. The other side doesn't have an armrest. I'm using a little round table like this for my mouse. Not comfortable. Laptop in my lap. So needless to say, I was like, I ain't doing this. I ain't doing this. So I made like $300 or $400. But before that, where I was going with this is I don't know what I did the week before. I'm pretty sure it was green. Zero clue. I couldn't tell you. And definitely I have no idea what I did the week before that. All that to say is you gotta just forget about it. Forget about it. Now, if you want to examine your trade, see if you I'm not going to hold that against you or whatever. But as far as forgetting what you did, it's helpful if it's going to emotionally impact what you're doing now. Yeah. I happened. This is my first vacation. It's my first time off in over 3 years, right? First time off. And the market had its best week in the last 3-4 years since COVID, probably, as far as movement goes. I'm sitting here like Ross from Warrior Trading is my gauge in how the market is. He was having $40,000 days like it was nothing. $40,000 for him now is rare. Like a good day is 5,000. He was having back-to-back 40s. And I'm thinking to myself, of all the weeks, I take a vacation. The market is juiced. So yeah, there's that. Oof. Jeez, come on down. Come on down. Keep coming. Serve. Maybe we can get Good Banana on mic. I know he's got a mic. He's been doing well. Good Banana, you around this morning? Don't forget, 8 YouTube viewers. Let's go. You're damn right. 0 kick viewers. How's your year going though? I'm doing much better than last year. you know. So my approach to this year, and it's hindered me some, but it's also helped me a great bit mentally. So last year, mentally was difficult. We've already discussed that. So this year, I was like, I need to come up with kind of a better strat for the market conditions we're in. So, Is that all I'm up? Hang on. Guess so. Fees and commissions can suck my dick. Up about 40,000 on the year. That is way less than I thought it was. I thought it was over 50. Jeez. See, this is why I don't look at this shit. So what I've been doing, if you haven't noticed, is I scale intraday. So before, especially last year, I would jump in first trade 2,000, 4,000 shares. And it would either make or break my day. If it was a red trade, oh, great. Now I'm down $400, $500 to start the day. Great. Now I'm pissed off. I can't believe it. Probably got dicked on the trade because I'm taking a setup that I thought was going to work. And now I have to climb out of a hole. So I probably am gun shy in the next trade. Now I'm going to go maybe 1,000, 2,000 shares rather than 2-4. And even if it is green, I'd only cut my loss in half if I'm lucky. So anyway, I did not like being in such a big hole to start the day. And it felt like rarely did it work out anyway for a good trade. Like if it worked out, I don't feel like it would be up $400 or $500. Or 4,000 shares, I feel like it'd be up $100. There was a lot of failed candle over candle moves last year. It's just a choppy market. So this year, I've decided, okay, I'm going to scale intraday. So I will start small share size, build a cushion, and then scale up if I got that cushion. So if I'm red on my first few trades, I will only be down $100, $200. I can climb out of that hole. No problemo. So, and it's helped mentally quite a bit because I'm not forcing trades. I can scale as I have profit. Like right now, I have $100 profit. I'm not really trying to scale up just yet. But if I get $300, $400, $500 profit, then I can scale up a little bit. If this setup is really right, now that we're a little bit later in the day, I can maybe take 1,000, 2,000 share trade. And I've also told myself, as I clear a certain dollar amount in my account, I will naturally scale up. So instead of starting the day with, maybe 500 shares on a trade, I'll start maybe now with 1,000. So now I'm scaling up the start size of the day based off of my market value. So it's just helped me mentally. LDV went. I was already down $800 this morning and got it all back, and now we're green. So it's working. It's working. A lot of people trying to match the S&P. Oh, I'm murdering the S&P. I'm murdering that bitch. Yeah, I'm up 38,300 with almost 4,000 of fees. Piece of junk. I'm not making a ton. Percent-wise, I'm making great progress. So, yeah, there it is right there. 2024, only 38,000, which doesn't sound like a lot, right? But you go to the performance, this is where I really shine. This is where I have to really focus my stuff. I'm up 140% on the year. Or the S&P's 15, NASDAQ 15, Dow Jones 7%. So I'm killing it in the percent pocket. You know, you have to put it in percents. You have to. That's what I think day traders should measure their success off of, is percent on the year. If you're gonna measure anything, it should be percent on the year. Because you need to be able to beat, the whole point of day trading is you gotta be able to beat these guys, the indices. So percent wise, I'm doing fantastic. First timers, oh yeah. If you're a first timer, you should just be happy with being green, like for shizzle and nizzle. NUWE. Interesting.
Here is some more money.
Thank you. I appreciate that. Soils. 39 months. Can't delete that message, can you, Soils? NUWE again. TWOU trying again, 5 minute, 288. So, I'm gonna stick with the strat that I've been using. Scale up as the account scales and scale up intraday. Even though I'm not killing it because of it, I think it's safer overall for me. Jeez. So this thing's got room. What's the gap? 374. The 9 under the 21. 2, 3, 4. 12 days. Not under the 50. That doesn't happen too often. WE again. A 1 minute play there worked out. Oops, there we go.
Okay. Tesla looks like it's gonna goes. UIT. Where'd you go for vacation? Sex rehab. Quite the vacation. Get out of this ON. This might do something if it closes a 5-minute like it is. Cater, what's going on? Vacation was okay, but I'd rather be trading. APT finally breaking out. Ebo, did this do 5-minute cucks? Did. Cock is 87. Up there. Marketplace.
Hello. Hello. Let's go. Got filled. Shitty fill there. Okay. Okay. Little winner there. That was a nice little 5-minute play. Kind of turned me on, not gonna lie. Keeps. TWOU. Is that it, maybe? BuzzFeed? I don't believe so. BZFD. Probably just technical. Look at the Bollinger Bands on this, how tight they are. You got to expect something eventually out of this. AIU. T. WYBO. GMO. LGBN. Nothing really setting up pretty here. CRT. Sava. Let's take a look. Huh. Oh, interesting. Keep an eye on that one. AEHL popping up in the scanners here. Ooh, daily breakout over this 445. Tell you what, over 450, this might turn me on. Don't judge me. That's the kind of energy I want, Coach Red. Coach Red just DM me, said he's super excited for fantasy hockey to start this year. That's the kind of energy that I want. That's the kind of energy I want. Damn, things are slow. ABT going again. NVIDIA red. Wow. It's crazy. Is this to here is like $100 billion. It's nuts. No, penny play trying to break a buck. Saw how the other one this morning did when it broke $1. So a little sympathy move it looks like here. Got the 200 up over basically 108, 110 level. Let's see if it just goes nuclear or not. It's a pretty nice move here. If 116 being horizontal. The cooler stepped into the ring, boys. I apologize. Dip and rip. Get over this 105. Lot of green volume, but it's not moving it. There it goes. What is it? 116 we're looking at? What the spread? The hell was that? Let's see if we get something on this thing. NUWE is still setting up. Let's go 50. Yeah, that was kind of nuts, Shred. Gotta break that. How do you not break that? Hidden seller? 6. Sir with a 5-minute cuck and go. What is this, over 40? Oof. Jeez. $29,000 share buyer. Decent fills. I'm not thrilled about them. Seller stepping up. Try again. Oh, that first fill was dog water. What? 20-cent spread just out of nowhere, huh? Suck me sideways, you piece of shit. Wow.
No, God!
Dear God.
No, God, please, no!
I'm
no!
out of this horseshit.
No! No!
Look at this, Phil. They're literally within the same second. 1556, 1539. How is that even possible? And now we're back to break even on the day. Bitcoin. Mm-hmm. And I can't short it. I know I probably can't short this. This would be a great short now. Let me see. 205% hard to borrow rate. Okay, suck me sideways. I bet you I can't even get filled if I wanted to. Let's see. Short at 18. Nope, rejected. So can't short it. Baja Blast. I might be able to get a Baja Blast for $12. NIPG. What is this? It's a recent IPO or something? Yep. starting to juice here. See what happens if it breaks 3. I see you positive. Do you have to work to get out of a hole? Yeah. Where I had a hole, filled the hole, and then I was green, and then I gave it all back. So. NIPG back to 15. Jeez. Hmm. Hmm. Cock into a cuck. It's always what I wanted. NIPG. What on earth is that move? Jeez. 1580. Jeez. W, if this wants to go. 15 or 309. Get back in if it wants to go. You're in Disney, Jimmy John? IPG, really nice move. Jeez, just missed. Oh, 16, 13. Jeez. Ugh. 1650. Yeah. Maybe a wedge building out here on this NUWE. Might have had something here, but we're below it. If it gets back in, maybe. Damn, man. What a slow ass day. I was really hoping. I was like, maybe there'll be a little juice left over when I come back on Monday. No. What was I thinking? Wednesday, 2 o'clock. That's true. I forgot about that. It's probably going to be a shit show till then. Don't. Are you going to really go off that? Really blazing. Jeez, that's a little ridiculous. What's up with NBAX? It's dumping. TWOU trying to get a VWAP break here. Am I feeling the fiber difference? Trading, no, because E-Trade is still so bad. But everything else. I mean, I just got back home, so. All right, NIPG. 16 is a level. $15.80. It's a small start. I didn't think it was going to go here. The big one is 16 up there. Trying a 1 minute cock to see if it wanted to, but it doesn't. Oh. Not yet. Alrighty. TWOU trying something. Cuck here. 5 minute cuck now. Boom. Oh, shut up, Chicka Bow Wow. Shut up. TWOU. I don't know if this has anything or not. Oh, come on. I was trying to buy a pullback. Can you go pull back? It's going to dump. Yep. Why? Why not? Why not? Best month ever, Hilo. Nice work, homie. That's what I want to hear. I love it. It's a patent play on a relatively low float. No, it's not. It's not 9 million, it's 98 million. Let's see if this moves at all. TCBP patent news on treatment of cancer. And UWE went fucking A. It's that diagonal break we were just looking at. Maybe a 15-second. Drowsy him up at 30 months. Let's go, bud. Yeah, it's let out. Both checks are slant. Yeah, it's going to be this week, though. We got, what, Fed rate decision Wednesday, so everybody's kind of thinking that this might be the one where we start getting rate cuts. Damn. When they cut it on Wednesday, yeah, it would be the decision would be Wednesday, I guess. Like that's their cut. I don't know how it works. I'm not going to pretend, but I would assume it would happen that day. Now, does that trickle down into the markets instantly? I have no idea. NIPG setting up a 5-minute. Gonna watch this one. Pretty tight 5. Don't go early, piece of shit. Don't go early. All right. See what now you can go. Ooh. Sellers in a 1450 broke. $14.12 would be bad for longs. There's only 5% chance? Is that what markets are pricing in? Well, I would imagine we would get a little bit more clarity on the plans for the rest of the year, though. Not this time around, but next go is rate cut. If it's not this go, would they? You almost have to do it now because you can't do it like right before election, right? They're going to cut in September with a November election. They got some balls. 5-minute cut here. Think about one side before the earnings, what would it be? Probably Nvidia. That seems to be doing really well. NUWE, jeez. It's been pretty good earnings play, it seems. Nvidia did get screwed today, but their earnings isn't today. Oh, come on. Don't stall out as soon as I get in. Really? As soon as I get in. 244. Can the bid go up? 47. What are we doing here? Bullshit, Phil. Hold on. Yeah, it's probably damned if you do, damned if you don't. Are we back to green? Hey, I can get one burrito at Taco Bell. This is why I only have 40,000 on the year. See how I keep my size small until I scale intraday. Keeps me from going deep red. My problem last year is my green days were average, but my red days were like a whole week. Like whenever I'd have a red day, it was like an entire week gone. So the whole point of me doing this year is to limit my red days. How bad they are. Oh my gosh. Thank you, Chick Bow Wow. Thank you. The Lightning are doing like a garage sale auction, and they're selling all the gear and sticks and signed memorabilia of former players. And some of these things are like names you've never heard of before, or if you're a Lightning fan, you know who they are, but that's about it. They're long gone. Fourth liners at best. And then you see Steven Stamkos jersey, Steven Stamkos signed stick. And then back to the fourth liners you'll never hear of ever again. Oh, Sergachev too. Forgot about Sergachev. TTOO, what is that? Jeez. We're green, right? Yeah, $20. Stamkos signed hat. Anything moving for you all? Ryko Mastery, what's going on, homie? It's okay for you to stream level 2. There's enough of a delay that I don't see that there's an issue. This is, I mean, there's like a 3-second delay or something like with the stream, so I'm not technically streaming it if there is an issue with it. I've never heard of, I mean, my broker knows I stream and they've never given me lip about it. And IPG is doing a 5-minute cock here. Just pull back a little much. I'm just curious. Why, you feel like streaming? You feel like joining the ranks of those that enjoy punishment from all angles, whether it be the market makers, Aladdin, chat. You have to be somewhat of a masochist to stream. Good thing I enjoy it. Turns me on slightly. Oh, yes! Shit on my face. See what I'm talking about? You gotta enjoy that. No? Over 78. And UWE dump. 15-second cock is what I'm playing here. Is go. Go. There it is. There's a needs a push. Not a bullshit push. I'm out. Do I have enough for a full meal? Do I have enough for a full Taco Bell meal? It's pushing it. It's pushing it. I should have done better. How it goes. Do I dome it one sitting? Most of the time. I mean, it's not a lot. Their burritos these days are like half the size of the burrito sizes they used to do. Like the burrito size is like a taco size. I'm basically paying $14 a taco for sour cream and guacamole on it. Let's be real. Welfare, were you the one that sent the... I can't remember who sent me the link for that. I'm trying to find it. Just a chair to me. How do you use the stocks or Stokes and MACD indicators in your min chart? Do you use them in tandem? So, for instance, the MACD, the way I use it is if it is down like this in this area, I never, on these low float shit stocks, I never see it move up, ever. When it flips up is like when the light switch is on and the computers allow it to move. It is like the computers obey the MACD. MACD crosshair, what do? We just grind it down, didn't matter what the setup was until it flipped up, and then we got a move up. On the 1 minute, so this is kind of what I use for, are the computers going to allow it to move up? This is when I use it if I'm trading it. Are we extended in this move? So when I see it up here, it's like, it's probably not going any further. Probably time to sell. That's how I use it. There's a bazillion different ways to use the MACD and Stokes, but that's how I use it. Russ, let's go 42 months.
Was on vacation for the past week. What did I miss?
Nothing. Well, you missed the best weekend in the last 3 years. I was on vacation as well, and I also missed it. Let me tell you how broken Disney is. I saw my brother over vacation. And I can't tell you in the past 10 years, the last time I've seen my brother and we not talk about Star Wars. Let me tell you how dead Disney is. That's our go-to. Hey, what's up? Let's talk Star Wars. We didn't mention, this is like the first time, and I made a point to be cognitive of this. I wasn't going to bring it up. I was going to see if he would bring it up. We didn't mention anything Disney or Star Wars the entire time. Star Wars is dead. Disney broke it. Kodor? I don't even know what that is, Guar. Semi, it's just slow. There's nothing going on. And we're not going to probably get anything this week because of the Fed rate decision Wednesday. This is going to be what the week is going to be like. And it makes more sense that last week was crazy because of this week. ABT. I took it off my watch list just because it's kind of out there. If we get another move, it's probably going to happen at 1 o'clock, but I can't be around. I've got to go help a friend with her network. shut up, soils. Freaking AMCR. Interesting. Trying to break out on the daily here. 1050 is your level. It's a bigger float, so you're not going to see me trade it 1 billion shares, but decent daily. I am qualified, Russ. I am qualified. I stayed at a Holiday Inn last night. How's your friend paying you for your help? Shut up, sugar bow wow. Don't jinx it. Don't jinx it. Yeah, it's moving up. Beat up though. This is kind of like a the bounce before more lows. I feel like. No, Chickabawa. Nice work, Savage. Nice. Ports, jeez. She does know how much dirt and rock I own, though, so she could be a rock digger. You know what I mean? Gotta be watching out. Try and get you dirt. Jeez, it's slow. Nice little setup on AIU. Costco doing a strike? Jeez. Mm-mm, 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 mm-mm. Jeez. It is slow. I'm out. I gotta go work on some networks. Not a terrific day. Got as high as $250. Was as low as negative 850. So the fact that we're got enough for some Taco Bell tonight is primo. Parimo. Cat 5-8. Son of a gun. Thank you, Kate. I appreciate it. Yeah. I'd be watching this NIPG. I don't think it's done. And TWOU's maybe setting up a 5 minutes. Same with NUWE. So there's a few things setting up. We're going to go raid Stocky. Be back at it tomorrow bright and early, 7 a.m. You guys are awesome. Glad to be back. Peace out. Love you all.